Alrighty, we have a 2019 Prius, has about 85,000 miles on it. Not like that matters, but we are going to be doing an oil change today. We have here the oil filter you will need. Right there, screenshot that for your convenience. And it's 4.4 quarts of 0816 is what I want to put in her. Get yourself a 5-quart jug, you'll be good to go. 14 millimeter socket for the drain plug, whatever size you like. I'm using, I believe, 3/8 drive. And then you need a 10 millimeter to get off this little plastic cover piece down under there. So I just threw her on the old impact and gonna buzz her off real quick. But need a drain pan, get you one of those, and you know, I have her up on ramps. I have to put a little 2x4 there so I don't rip off the front bumper, make it a little nicer. But yeah, here we go. We'll get started. Pull that out a little bit. I like to take off my fill cap, throw it up there, get oil everywhere. Oh. This little plastic piece I was talking about, that's the 10 millimeter. There's one there. One there. And one back here. Comes out like so. And we have, let's see here, we have our oil filter, and then our drain plug, which is right here. Okay, we'll go ahead and take out the drain plug. So you can see it, she's right there. Our drain pan ready. There you go. 10,000 miles, basically. I'm going to do better about that. Going to start doing it at 5. Well, yeah. Okay, the oil filter is up in there. If it's not super tight, you can probably get it with your hands. Don't remember how tight I made it. Okay, a little tighter than I'd like. Or no, not really. It's about a good tightness. Okay. Make sure your pan's underneath. There you go. Let that continue to drain out. And then we'll come back in, clean it up, put all the plugs in, put the new filter in, and then fill her up with some fresh oil. If I go ahead and put oil into my filter, try not to make a mess. I don't think you got any of that. Okay, and then put a dab of oil on that new O-ring on the filter. You should be good to go there. Okay, I'm happy enough with just what's dripping out of there now. Clean the surface off a little bit with a little rag. And then we'll go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Now some people, you can replace the little crush washer, but I haven't yet. Probably should next time. But, you know, if I do, I do. wipe it off, thread her in. Take your ratchet. I like to get it tight up here at the top of the ratchet, and then I'll give it another cinch. I don't know how many foot-pounds it's supposed to be, but that's what I do. Wipe off where you put in your new filter. Clean that surface. Make sure the O-ring didn't stick to the face there. Okay, nice and clean. And then if you pre-fill your filter, you'll be okay. But if you decide to fill it up like I did, you just got to be quick with it. Oh, just got to be quick with it and hurry up and find the threads. And a lot of the oil doesn't really come out. So like, that's why I do it like that. But if you don't want to do that, I think you can still put it in dry. But yeah, go ahead. Try to get the oil off so that way you can put enough pressure on it to tighten it. If you got a good grip, I'd just say go hand tight. I'm pretty happy with that. Go ahead and wipe off all the oil. If you want to, you can put your tool back on. If you want to just double check, you can put that on the ratchet if you want, but I think it's good. And we're, like I said, we're going with the 4.4 quarts is what it takes. So what I like to do is just pour so much in and double check where it's at on the line. I'm going to go till there's right around a little less than 1 quart left in my jug. Got 2 quarts left in here. Okay, we put about 4 quarts in. I'm gonna go a little more. Okay. Okay, double check everything. Doesn't look like anything's leaking. So we'll go ahead, put our panel back on. It hooks in down there, that back piece. Oh, can't see that. Okay, then you get in the Prius. Go ahead, start her back up. I have my trip B. That's how many miles I put on an oil change, so I'll go ahead and clear that out. And then what you want to do is go over, let's see here, don't do this often. Use your right button. Let's see here, go over to, I believe here, settings, vehicle settings, then maintenance system, and then oil maintenance, reset, yes, reset completed, there you go, good to go. Just go ahead and back out of it, go back to the screen you like to do. I prefer that one, and there you go. You're good for another 5,000 to 10,000 miles. Yeah, like I said, I like to reset my trip B so I know how much is on my oil change. And then while we're here, we're at 83,188. We'll go ahead and put that in the book. Go ahead and do your little system maintenance. Your little, don't have a pen here, so we will use mechanical pencil. All right, 80,000 miles or 85. Let's go here. It was at mileage 83.1. What was it? 88. And today is, oh shoot, January. I think it's the 28th. I don't know. Maybe not. There we go. Replace engine oil and oil filter. I did look at that off camera, and there you go. And there you have it. That is how I changed the oil on the 2019 Prius, aka Priusi. But yeah, pretty simple job for the most part. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, there you have it. 2019 Prius oil change. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it helpful.